Hello viewers, you're tuned into Kashmir Life, and as the sun is out in Srinagar after week-long snow, there is a damage which is invisible in the sense that a lot of people don't know. We're talking about the cars which have been hit by the snow from falling off the roofs. There are lots of cars in various car dealerships which are currently under repair. As you can see behind me, this is a car brought in after the snow fell on its windshield. It's being repaired here. At least 20 cars are here in this dealership where we are currently standing. The workers here say that this happens every winter, but the drivers and the people, car dealer owners, are not aware of this problem. So you need to watch out while driving, while parking your cars, because this is something which is going to affect you because we have a long winter ahead. Viewers, we have another car from South Kashmir where the snow was much more compared to Srinagar. Its windshield is yet to be repaired. The other parts have been repaired, but the owner has to wait for the windshield because the road, National Highway from Jammu to Srinagar, is already closed. South Kashmir has been witnessing more such cases because in Shopian and Kulgam the snow had been over 5 feet. So this car owner would have to wait.
My suggestion to all our customers, drivers who drive in snow is to look on the road when they are driving, but to look for a roof when they are parking it. The moment they park a car under a house, so they should be ready that snow damage will take place. And with the kind of winter we are going through, we still have a long way to go. January, February, March, 3 more months. Be very careful while parking the cars near buildings, close to buildings. All depends upon the building underneath you have parked the car and the amount of snowfall. There have been cases where almost 30 to 40% of the vehicle gets damaged due to the impact of falling snow on the car. We have had almost 20 cars which have come in. Mostly the cars are affected more towards south of Kashmir. Central and north are less affected.
With 90 odd structures including residential houses being damaged in last week's snow, the cars have also met the snow fury. We are here at another dealership here in Srinagar. We'll be talking to the head of the body shop here, Mr. Afsar Ali, and talk to him about his experiences of such cars. कितनी गाड़ियाँ आती हैं?
सर्दियों में हमारे पास आती हैं कम से कम 100 गाड़ी आती है, 100-150 गाड़ी, लेकिन छत पे ज़्यादा बर्फ़ गिरती है और इस चीज़ का ध्यान नहीं करते लोग। बहुत ज़्यादा बर्फ़ बोनट पे गिरती है। ये गाड़ी देखो पूरी डेड हुई है इधर से और साइडों में गिरती है, शीशे पे गिर जाती है तो शीशे टूट जाते हैं। ज़्यादा डैमेज होती है बर्फ़ के टाइम में।
आप इस गाड़ी का जिक्र कर रहे थे तो क्या?
गाड़ी पे देखो इस पे गिरी है बर्फ़, छत भी ख़त्म हुई है, डिग्गी भी है, बोनट भी है और शीशा भी डैमेज ख़त्म हो गया इसका, क्योंकि ऊंचाई से गिरती है। इस बार बर्फ़ भी ज़्यादा पड़ी है तो इसलिए जो वज़न होता है उस पूरी गाड़ी को, छत को भी ख़त्म कर देता है, बोनट को भी ख़त्म कर देता है, शीशे भी ख़त्म हो जाते हैं इससे। बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज गाड़ियाँ होती हैं।
अच्छा, ये जो पार्ट्स इनमें फिर लगते हैं, स्पेयर पार्ट्स, अभी रास्ता बंद है नेशनल हाईवे।
रास्ता हम एडवांस में कुछ मंगा के रखते हैं या कोई हमारी डीलरशिप दूसरी वाली होती है उसके पास अगर कोई पार्ट होता है हम उससे अवेलेबल करते हैं, या ज़्यादातर हम इसको रिपेयर करते हैं। अगर कोई पार्ट नहीं मिलता फिर हम रिपेयर, कस्टमर को गाड़ी की ज़रूरत होती है तो हम रिपेयर करके भी देते हैं।
लोगों से क्या कहना चाहेंगे जिनके पास गाड़ियाँ हैं?
हम उनसे ये कहना चाहेंगे अपनी गाड़ी की सेफ्टी रखो, अपनी गाड़ी को ऐसी जगह खड़ी करो जहाँ पे अब रात को बर्फ़ गिर गई और रात को हम सो रहे हैं, पता ही नहीं बर्फ़ रात को गिर गई और वो गाड़ी पे या पड़ी, वो डैमेज हो जाएगी। पहले से ही सर्दियों में इंसान को अपनी गाड़ी को संभाल के रखना चाहिए। सेफ जगह रखो, या तो ऐसी जगह रखो जहाँ छत से बर्फ़ ना गिरती हो बाहर, या फिर उसको गैरेज के अंदर रखो ताकि ज़्यादा नुकसान ना हो, इतनी गाड़ी डैमेज ना हो, इसलिए तो ज़्यादा नुकसान होता है इससे।
Kashmir government has closed the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway for 10 days after a bridge fell down in the Ramban district. The dealers across here are telling us that it's going to take a lot of time for the spare parts to reach so that these cars can be moved back onto the roads. Till then, everybody needs to watch out, particularly in South Kashmir districts where the snow is still on the roofs as it poured down very heavily last week. With camera person Shoaib Wani, this is Yawar Hussain for Kashmir Life.